If you're serious about cooking, whether it's grilling the perfect steak, baking with precision, or mastering your air fryer, an instant read meat thermometer is a total game changer. No more guessing, no more overcooked meals. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital meat thermometers that deliver speed, accuracy, and reliability for every kitchen and outdoor setup. Number 1. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. Leading the list is the ThermoMonster Digital Meat Thermometer, built for speed and precision. Equipped with an advanced thermocouple sensor, it delivers incredibly accurate readings within just half a second, making it one of the fastest options available. With plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision and NIST certification, you can trust every reading, whether you're grilling steak or checking delicate candy temperatures. The 4-inch long probe keeps your hands safely away from heat, while the temperature lock feature lets you hold readings without rushing. Its auto-flip LCD display ensures easy viewing from any angle, and the motion-sensing sleep and wake function adds convenience and battery efficiency. Plus, the fully waterproof design means cleaning is quick and hassle-free, making it perfect for both indoor kitchens and outdoor BBQ sessions. Number 2. ThermoMonster Instant Read Meat Thermometer Digital. Next up is a versatile 4K-style digital cooking thermometer, designed for everyday reliability. This model offers fast readings within 1 to 2 seconds, delivering accurate results for meats, liquids, deep frying, and even candy making. The large backlit display ensures you can clearly read temperatures, whether you're cooking in a bright kitchen or grilling at night. Built with an IP67 water-resistant rating, it can be safely rinsed under running water for easy cleanup. Its multi-use functionality makes it ideal for ovens, grills, smokers, and air fryers alike. Simple to use and pre-calibrated for convenience, this thermometer is a dependable choice for beginners and experienced cooks who want consistent performance without complications. Number 3. AMMZO Meat Thermometer Digital. Taking things up a notch, the JSOX Digital Meat Thermometer delivers a balance of speed, durability, and smart design. With a high-precision sensor, it reads temperatures in just 2 to 4 seconds and maintains accuracy within plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. The wide temperature range from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for everything from frozen foods to sizzling hot grills. Its large backlit display ensures visibility in any lighting condition, while the IP67 waterproof design allows for quick rinsing after use. The retractable stainless steel probe, magnetic back, and hanging loop make storage effortless. Add in the auto-off feature for battery saving and a comfortable anti-slip grip, and you've got a thermometer that's practical, efficient, and built for everyday cooking. Number 4. ImSaferell Digital Meat Thermometer. At number 4, we have another ultra-reliable instant read meat thermometer designed for ease of use and consistent performance. Featuring a slim probe for quick insertion into meats, it provides accurate readings within 2 to 4 seconds. The intuitive design automatically powers on when unfolded and shuts off after inactivity, making it extremely user-friendly. With a large backlit screen, you can easily read temperatures in any environment, whether indoors or outside in bright sunlight. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the built-in magnet and hanging hole make storage simple. Its durable construction and waterproof design mean it's ready to handle everything from everyday meals to intense grilling sessions. Number 5. PAWPRO Meat Thermometer Digital. Rounding out the list is a budget-friendly yet highly capable digital food thermometer that doesn't compromise on performance. It features a 5-inch stainless steel probe for safe and easy temperature measurement, delivering accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. With a wide temperature range and the ability to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, it's suitable for a variety of cooking styles, from roasting turkey to making candy. The large LED display with backlight ensures clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. Designed for convenience, it includes a hold function, auto shutoff feature, and magnetic storage option. Its durable, waterproof build ensures long-lasting use, making it a solid choice for home cooks who want reliability at an affordable price. So, Whether you're a backyard barbecue master or just want perfectly cooked meals every time, these digital meat thermometers take the guesswork out of cooking. Fast readings, accurate results, and user-friendly designs make them essential tools for any kitchen. Choose the one that fits your style, and you'll never have to worry about overcooked or undercooked food again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top product picks and honest reviews.